Well, if you're an expert on these things, also, just let me know. I need to get one because I got some trees, branches that are dead, and some of my trees are home. That needs to be cut. I don't want to pay anyone. I did ask somebody and they told me that just to cut one of these like thousands of dollars. I'm like, oh no, I'm not doing that. I could probably just do this myself. And I'm gonna check Amazon as well and see what they have there, and see if maybe they have better ones. But at Lowe's they have this brand called Husqvarna. Yeah, Husqvarna, right? I don't know what brands they have at Amazon, but sometimes they have better things on Amazon, I guess. But I'll try this out and see what works best. Yeah, but this stuff I Lowe's on one of the aisles in Garden Center. Worcester. Yeah, I'm over here in this Husqvarna tools. Sometimes they have saws, extending saws. I think they have one here on Craftsman that extends. This one right here with an extension pole right here. But I think I've seen before the Husqvarna, you can switch these heads and put a pole on it, but they don't have the pole cutters in anyway here. So maybe an electric one would be better, or battery powered one would be better to cut. And the only one they have is that one right there, the pole one. So I've got some decisions to make. So I'll check some Amazon and see what they have. And I see some things here as well. There's a yard tool. Don't know if that's. I'm not sure what that is. But I'm out shopping, trying to find a pole saw. So far, nothing really good here. I'm gonna go to Home Depot. Kobalt has one too. Battery powered. This is a 40-volt max. That's $229. I don't think it's worth it. It's too much. But we'll check it out.